Okay, so I'm trying to change the pump on a Hoshizaki, and this thing is a KM-500MAE. So the pump is on. The pump is on a floating mount. You just take out this screw and you can pull the pump out. The only problem is this part here, this filter, whatever it is in the way. And so you have to turn off the water supply. So here the water supply is off. I'm thinking it stores water up in this tub. I ran a piece of conduit down to a sink here. And so the problem is you got to catch the water. When you first try and change a pump, there's a lot of water coming out of that outlet there. So the first thing you got to do is take off this piece here. It's held on by two screws right there. Take those screws out. Water comes out. You got to catch the water. And there's the pump. Let's see if the pump is loose now. It is loose, yes. So there's the pump. I'm going to take off this clip, going to cut the wires, and out comes the pump. I got a new pump here waiting to go in. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please. Thank you. This pump is a look-alike pump made in China. I'm hoping it would win here and work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.